Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, and thank you for returning, and thank you for being here if you're new. So this is the Joy of Blue collaboration. It is hosted by Sarah at Crafting and Relaxing, and in this collab, it's not just for jewelry makers. Sarah does a lot of journals, paper crafting journals and cards and things like that. Mostly for this, I've seen her do journals, and some of them are really beautiful. So if you do journaling of any kind, check out her channel, and card making too. I also do card making on my other channel. Anyway, could also be knitting, crocheting, art journaling, painting, whatever anyone desires to do, as long as it contains the color blue, which is her favorite color, and it is mine as well. I have a lot of favorite colors, but turquoise in particular, turquoise blue is mine. Anyway, I digress. So I have been under the weather. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice. My voice is never great, but it's really bad the last week and a half. And I was feeling better, but the last 2 days I've been feeling worse again. So I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I digress. I made 3 pair of earrings because I just didn't feel up to doing much else. So the first pair is these. And they are blue sapphire serpentine and coins and bronzite faceted drops and bronzite. And I did that because these blue beads have not only some white in them but also some brown. So I wanted to bring the brown out because I like blue and brown together. And so these blue beads came from Michael's. I had 2 strands of them. I cut into one. And semi-precious beads. They had them mislabeled. I'm pretty sure I got these off their website a while back in 2020. Yeah, I didn't go into the store in 2020, especially in December 2020. Uh, and on the website, they were called Sapphire Serpentine 12 millimeter stones. On the tag, excuse me, they're called Dyed Imperial Jasper. And I know that's wrong because I actually have the same shape in dyed Imperial Jasper. And it's more of a turquoisey kind of color, but it does have the same kind of markings, like different colors in it. Anyway, Sapphire Serpentine is what I'm going with. And then the little faceted drops are from jewelrymaker.com back in 2016. And they look like this, and they're top drilled across, this way. So I had to wire wrap them on, and I used bead-along German style wire and antique brass 22 gauge to do that down here, this wire here. And then these bronzite rounds, they're smooth rounds. Those are from, I'm not going to take them out of there. Auntie's beads. I had them in 8 millimeter and 6 millimeter. And I think 2015 was before they changed to Auntie's Beads Direct. I think they are now. Anyway, that's the first pair of earrings. And then the second pair, I had this strand. They're all the earrings are different. And this, I don't know where I got it. It says Doris, which I thought was AC Moore. But I started to put this number in my inventory system. I don't have that exact one in my inventory system, but some of these came up as Joanne's and some came up as Michael's. So I don't know. I had nothing written on it before. I just wrote that on there today, how many beads there are. This is Crackle Agate in turquoise blue, or various blues. And then these are ceramic beads, and these are crystals. So I just made a double dangle and put it on silver plated brass lever backs. And I tried to find the 2 rounds that had, I think they're really cool because they've got like banding. They're matte and they've got banding. We've gotten these sometimes, similar things in bargain bead box in different colors. Um, in fact, these bead caps were from a bargain bead box, and they were number 10, but I don't know which month or when, how long ago. So anyway, I just pulled off. They're like in threes with a crystal, the agate, and the ceramic, and I tried to just pull off three. I was just going to use the crystal up here, and I didn't like the way it looked, so I went back and pulled off two of the turquoisey ceramics, and I like that better. So I have the dark blue with the crackle agate, and then I have the crystal with the turquoise ceramic at the top, and they have a lot of nice movement, and they're not terribly long, and they're also not terribly heavy. Obviously the 10mm crackle agates have a little bit of weight, but not too much. So that's those. Really have no idea where I got those from. And then the last strand I pulled out, excuse me, I got at a place called Flower and Craft Warehouse, which is now closed. It's sort of local to me. It's up near where my brother lives, actually. It's about 40 minutes away, or maybe 45 for me. Anyway, these are ceramic beads also. I'm not sure these black beads, I think they're just glass, but these ceramic beads are what I was after. And they were oval. Now my original thought was, I had these little oval links. They're not going to lay right because I have them on these earring cards. And I was going to try and put them the same direction as the ovals here, but they won't stay that way unless you wire wrap stuff onto them. So I wire wrap this bead link, which I have a silver plated domed head pin from Jewelry Maker. And I have these this quick links kit, which I use periodically, but I have a lot left in it. That was from Jewel School on JTV back in, I don't know, ages ago. It was a kit, JS Kit 08. I don't know if they still do that. But these are Beadalon products, and they come in all different sizes. I use this one a lot. I thought, well, you know what? Let me use an oval because these are ovals. Well, it didn't work out that this going the same direction, but actually I kind of like it better this way. It makes them just a little bit longer and gives a little more design to it. I don't know. So very simple. I just wire wrap this directly onto the oval and then open the lever backs and plop them on, and there we go. So those are my 3 pair of earrings for Joy of Blue collaboration. They're all a little different, but they all have blue. I hope you liked them. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Share the video if you want to. Leave me a comment. I really do appreciate hearing your thoughts and which one's your favorite and that kind of thing. And I think all of these are wearable. Some earrings I make, they're like only certain people will buy them or wear them because they're shoulder dusters or whatever, but I think these are everyday wearable, which I like. All right, everyone, that's enough blabbering on by me. Please go check everyone else out. They won't be linked. What you have to do is just click on the hashtag that'll be in the description, and you should be able to find everyone that's participating. We post on the 12th around noon Eastern each month. Thank you so much for watching and being here, and take good care of yourself, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.